Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to design a knot in SolidWorks and configure its features step by step. We will start by sweeping to circular bars to create the base geometry. Next, we will rotate this body by 30 degrees, and then we mirror the bodies to form the other side of the knot. After that, we rotate one body by 60 degrees and the other by minus 60 degrees to complete the design. Then we will configure the features in different dimensions. Alright, let's jump in the details. First, we go to Properties, create a new property, name it R, and select the number equal 30. Then create a new sketch on the front plane and draw a semicircle. Make these 3 points to be horizontal. Next, draw a line to be cotangent with the semicircle. Here I will link the radius dimension to the customer property named R. And the same for the length. Here we need to input the property name not in a specific configuration. Then go sweeping, choose circular profile and link the diameter to customer property 2. Next, create a new sketch on the front plane. Draw a quadrant. Also, draw a line to be cotangent with the quadrant. And link this length to 3 times of the radius. Here I need to go back to modify the first sketch. Make the length equal half of the radius. Then go sweeping again. Choose circular profile and uncheck the merge result. The diameter link with the radius. Then we add a reference point on the section circle. And the same on another circle. Then go to Direct Editing, choose Move Bodies, select the second body, and rotate center. Rotate 30 degrees along the y-axis. Then mirror. Select the mirror plane and 2 bodies. Next, rotate again. Select the to mirror the bodies. and rotate center. Rotate 60 degrees along the y-axis. Next, rotate another solid in the same way. Rotate 60 degrees too, and change the direction. Okay, that's it. Next, I will show you how to add configurations. Right-click on a feature and select a Configure feature. Select Customer Property. Then add configurations by inputting the name. Now we modify the number for different configurations: 30, 50, 70, and 90. Then we go configurations and review the different dimension of the nodes. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.